Did you know that using Instagram for your business will enable you to form a more personal connection with customers? With an Instagram business profile, you can share pictures and videos to engage your audience. A visual feed can reflect your business's products and services creatively and differentiate you from the competition. If you have been struggling of where to start or how to set up an Instagram page for your business, we have the workshop for you. It's called Instagram Setup and Basics, the Bootcamp. Our workshops offer step-by-step instruction and the ability to learn at your own pace from any device at your convenience. Our courses are offered in bite-sized chunks, allowing you to implement what you have learned. In this bootcamp, we will discuss how Instagram helps businesses build trust amongst consumers and walk you through Instagram actions like post, hashtags, and when to use them, tagging, direct messaging, following, Instagram TV, and more. Businesses experience better engagement rates on Instagram than any other social media platform. If you'd like the same experience, get started today with this bootcamp.